It's actually morning today when I'm saying it.
It's Katy Perry Day!
Woo, so excited.
Done his outfits. We stayed the night just a little bit out of Cardiff, and I'm going to drive to the other hotel in a few minutes, and then walk to the venue, which is at Cardiff Castle. So, do you want to go first, Jim?
Yeah.
Can you say better last?
Shoes, Adidas, shorts, Shein. They were meant to come with rhinestones already on, but they didn't, so I ended up getting my money back and then having to rhinestone it myself. The tops from Primark, but then the butterflies are Amazon. The rhinestones I've done myself. The back, I did all this last year. Like I've just revamped the outfit. This is Shein. My phone case I've done myself as well. That was
very
part of
cute.
Shein.
Love it.
I've obviously gone for a theme.
Isabel?
So, co-ord is Zara, Converse, my hat that I won yesterday.
Harry Styles.
My Harry Styles hat. Yeah, I think it's all the same jewellery as the other day anyway.
Loves it. My turn.
Ali's turn.
Converse, Shein shorts, Katy Perry merch top from the tour, Boomerman, like, shirt, crocheted, knitted thing. Very nice. But we can't wait, we're so excited, aren't we?
Excited.
So
I just
about
need to get changed out of this.
And then we're about to leave the hotel.
Because I'm not driving in this.
Go to the hotel, walk to the venue.
Yes.
What song we're most excited for?
Lifetimes.
I don't know where to... Watch It Burn, obviously.
The new song,
yeah.
live
Band-Aid.
debut.
Never seen that live.
I'm so excited for Legend of Lovers as well.
Yeah.
We cannot wait.
Let's go!
We're just at the hotel.
Hotel holiday.
We're staying actually at, it's called Future Inns. We didn't even know it was a thing.
We're normally a travel lodge baddies, but
This was actually cheaper than the travel lodge that's like across the road. So yeah, we've just let him know, obviously, James is just getting the stuff out of the car. We've just let him know we're here and we'll be back later after a concert, and if that's fine, like we know you're checking in, so don't worry, there's no rush or anything.
yeah, there's no pressure.
Because we don't know what time we're going to be back later. We've just got to the castle, haven't we?
Yeah.
To see like the castle walls. So excited. We're going to see what the queuing situation's like.
Or anything.
There's a botanist there.
The chili cat's in there.
Is there?
Yeah.
Look cute. And the sailor one look cute. The one with the...
The Bartholomew.
Yeah, we're going to see what the queuing situation's like, and then we'll update you whether we're queuing or whether we're
number one. No, but we
going
need
for
to
some
make sure we're
food.
queuing in the right place. We don't be queuing in the wrong place.
No, and then end up going in the wrong entrance. We're here. Oh yeah. The stage is there. The main stage is there. Where we're going. Gonna figure it out, I think. We're in the queue.
Numbers 31, 32, 33.
This is the queue so far. We've got his numbers. Shall we show him guys?
Perfect.
Isabel's looking at Deliveroo. Yeah, because we are wrong. 31, 32, and 33. So yeah, fingers crossed we'll get the barrier. Concert a la carte at McDonald's to get us through, and the merch booth just open, which is behind James there.
Go away.
We're waiting to go.
Sorry, I thought you
chaos.
Sorry, so sorry.
What were you doing?
Go away.
Yeah, we're waiting.
We've
We've got the barrier.
That was the most stressful. Like,
Barricade wall
it was
ever.
horrible. It was actually horrible.
The stage is there. Cannot wait. James is here now.
We are from
We're reunited. We're so excited. And I bought Isabel's bought a merch shop as well. I got it on my way back from the toilet. We can't wait. We're so excited. Like the stairs are literally. And the castle's up there, but it's really, really bright. And there we go. And we're going to check Katy Perry Universe. We took our picture earlier.
I cannot believe
How
it.
amazing.
astronomy removed from the space program. I need to read one book. interpreted, you're going to hear me roar in Welsh, right? Is that right? You better be confident of this. There's a lot of Welsh people here. I want you to say it, yeah. You don't want to say it now. Well, you're so confident you made a sign, but you don't want to say it. Who speaks Welsh? Hello? What's your name?
Angel.
Angel, the Welsh angel. How do you say it in Welsh? You're going to hear me roar. One more time slow. a drink at the bar later. Alright, Cardiff.
Just checked into our hotel in Cardiff and we've just left Katy Perry.
Best concert I've ever been to.
It's amazing.
Best concert. Sorry, I dropped my phone.
I mean, how close we were, the eye contact, everything. We like said we're going to get in a little circle time and everyone's going to share the videos because like she was staring at like we just...
I mean, she came into the crowd and I don't think I will ever be as close to an artist.
It was insane. And also,
and she's my number one.
The room that we've just checked into, so nice. Got 2 double beds, and it's really, really big.
Good night's sleep.
Yes, she will.
So I need to get up and get off tomorrow about 10.
Yeah, we'll probably do a proper update in the morning after we've rested.
Hi everyone. So we just wanted to come on and end the Katy Perry vlog, as we obviously didn't. Unreal.
So good, wasn't it?
10,
Best concert
10.
I've ever been to.
Yeah, my favourite concert ever. That was number 7, Athena.
The closest we ever will be.
4 out of my 7 shows have been barrier. So I can't complain at all. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Unreal. Loved it.
I mean, you can't go to a concert so you've actually carried the person you've gone to
No,
see.
literally, like, honestly, it was crazy. We were a few weeks ago now, but yeah, I've not stopped thinking about it since. We have also just got back from the Lake District, so there are like a few vlogs, or I think maybe just one vlog. I don't know, we've not actually sorted it yet, but
Yeah.
there's a couple of vlogs maybe from that coming soon, so make sure you're subscribed. And yes, we will probably see you then for those vlogs.
Oh no, what's and the other, like, I've just realised what's after the Lake District vlogs will be
Ariana Grande, yeah. Which is actually 3 weeks today.
I'm so excited.
Oh,
Mine
can hear me again, of course. But yeah, we're going to leave it here. But yeah, thank you all for watching. And we'll
See you later.
next
See you in the next
time.
one.